Usumbut Menteri Rangba ubak kami ikatanat PWD Roads ubak Prestone tensong hak arpu pratrik yayong ula ong bak project high speed corridor kan penklo ya kalet kawan bat kan kyntiew shibun hak bayadai bat kayok akat ha Meghalaya hak ba ka Jylla kan long kalinti ya bakongsan hakathan shatay lamingi ya ka package 1 but 2 ladap ban khot tender bat hari boy district ka jingpen bed hak bayadai bat ka kam jaka keladap artan bat ka jingpen bed ya ka jingpen nyat denti ya ka surok ru lala ban pendam ya ka ni lala ru ban pendam wat hakasi hills bat west giant hills hindrengi don satang kat tu ka ni ki benta ha east giant hills kiba ka jinga kren kadang ya shakman ong uba Prestone haba kren shakilat sai kubor ula penpau baka ni ka expressway kan yarap shibun ban penduna ya ka jing bampor hakalit kawan bat haka juk kapor ban kyntiew ya ka yok kan habangi keren halor ka expressway pin ngotho baha ka jaka bakan bampor la kinta hakalit kawan kani kalinti kan kampen lingkot shibun bat pin sa ngotho hadukat no kanta kan duna ulaong kani ka dayru ka economic corridor ya ka ba ngaru shimet ngasngo baladang ila pendap ya ka project ka jingya jung kali kan bun bha bat ka Meghalaya kan day kalinti ya pakongsan bat ki kam ki bayade bat ka kamai ka ji ru kin ki shibun ulaong haba kali balaya kani ka corridor omla banshna kum ka 6 lane model uba Prestone ula penpau halor ka jinglong jingman ki jaka hapo ka Jylla ula ong ru baka sorkar kala shimru ya ka rai banshna ya ka surok 4 lane na umyam nelat umroy shadu shishlong haka bala dab ru ban IT ya ka project Shaka National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL.
I think you will experience yourself. But let me tell you, when we mention about the expressway, you understand. Instead of traveling 3 hours, 1.5 hours, it is completely shortened. So that itself you understand how many hours we save. Number 2, this is also the economic corridor, which I personally feel if we completed this project, the flow, because Meghalaya is the main transit state. So ultimately, as I said to you, the flow of the traffic value will increase, and also the economic activities, I'm very sure, will increase vehemently. I think you need to understand one thing. As far as Meghalaya is concerned, especially maybe minus Assam, in the northeastern state, it's a hilly area. It is not at all possible. Now let me give you the example of Shillong Dawki Road. Even 2 lane is so difficult. I think you must have seen it. There are portions which, if you talk about 4 lanes, it's so tight, so difficult. So therefore, the main reason here is why the government of India does not want to go for 6 laning. It's because of these constraints that we have in the state of Meghalaya. 2 tenders has been already invited, and Riboy district, as I said to you, the land is more or less finalized. The alignment has been finalized. Even Khasi Hills and West Jati Hills. Now we do have some portions in East Jati Hills, which is the discussion is on. And also we have already entrusted to NHIDCL. Again, we have taken a decision from the state government. Again, we propose for a 4 laning. This again we propose 4 laning from Umyam, that Umyam junction, from Lat Umroy we call it, from Lat Umroy up to Shillong.